so today I'm going to be making some holographic ornaments, and I have all my glitter and all my ornaments here, and I wanted to make them for this little tree that we have. It has some holo tinsel. Also, I found this holo hat. I was going to wear it, but it's small on me, so I still think that's cute. And I also have this little unicorn that Simply Nailogical Christine also had in her video of making gingerbread houses. So I thought that was cool. And I also have these little hollow balls. I don't know what I'm really going to do with them. I don't think I can really put them on the tree, but I think I'll figure something out. And we also have this big tree here, so it's not the only tree that we have. This one I just wanted to put all the hollow stuff on. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start off with a small one, and I'm just going to put them on a tree. I used this iridescent garland, and this tree I usually decorate it differently each year. Like last year, I think it was last year, I did it Minecraft themed, and I used ornaments like Stacy's. I also have her holiday sweater on. So yeah, and this year it's holographic. So first I'm gonna spray it with this spray glue. And then I just have my bowl of glitter here. I'm using this little scooper to help me kind of just pour it on. And I'm also using the same box as my pour painting for all the extra. But I still want to make sure I have some left over. Miss this spot here. I think that's good. So here's my first one. Glitter all over my hands. I'm just gonna leave them in here to dry. And next one I'm gonna do is a bigger one. Probably gonna get glitter all over my hair. It's okay. Hold my sleeves. This one you can see is a different size from this one. I'm just doing the same thing, spraying it all over with the glue. Second. And in the video I watched, she also put it like in the bowl, but I think it's much easier to kind of scoop it on. And then to kind of do the bottom, dip it in. Get some of the excess off. And there I have a big one. Okay. There. And I didn't show the glitter that I had, but I just bought these from Michael's. There was this little one that has more of bigger glitter things. I don't know what to call them. And then this one is more of like a little particles of glitter, and so I have some extra if I need that. And I'm just gonna do a few more of these of each, and I'll see you then. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.